I'm gonna oh, this is my first time, guys, to eat this. Mr. Hernandez, Chilean. He brought me here, and yeah, this is the food. Oh, then what else? That's
You can take one if you want.
what did you bring? This?
This is spicy.
Oh, spicy. Wow.
Okay, wait for how it's that.
Impressive to see this and that you can, swap and exchange just to taste the others flavor of this kind of. Yeah, I was surprised that this is the purpose of this trio meal. I'm gonna try what he did. He squeezed the lime, and just like this. Wow. And here we comes. Tasty. Was a heavy meal, Mexican meal, in a tortilla wrapper, and it has a meaty, unique taste from Mexican taste.